Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Health Day. World Health Day, observed annually on 7th April, aims to raise global awareness about critical health issues. The day commemorates the establishment of the World Health Organization or the WHO, an entity dedicated to global public health. Now let's discuss about the theme for World Health Day. In 2025, the theme for World Health Day is Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures, emphasizing the importance of maternal and newborn health. The focus is on reducing avoidable deaths and promoting long-term health for mothers and infants through government funding and health initiatives. Over the years, World Health Day has spotlighted various global health challenges. Themes in previous years have included mental health, child and maternal care, health equity, and the impact of climate change on health. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS-GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. English medium batch will begin on 8th April at 6 p.m. and the Hindi medium batch admissions are now open. For more details, contact 87501 87501. Now moving on to WHO. The World Health Organization, founded in 1948, is a United Nations agency focused on global health and safety. Headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, the WHO aims to promote health and ensure universal health coverage for all. It is governed by 194 member states, grouped into 6 regions: African, Americas, Eastern Mediterranean, European, Southeast Asia, and Western Pacific. Each region is represented by a regional office that coordinates health programs in member countries and field offices, working towards improving global health standards. Now is the time for practice question. Where is the headquarters of the World Health Organization located? Option A, Paris, France. Option B, Washington, D.C., US. Option C, Geneva, Switzerland. Or option D, New York, US. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.